Happy Wellness Wednesday, Pirate Nation! June's theme of the month for wellness is environmental wellness. And because of that, today we're going to be doing an upcycle craft, and it's a DIY t-shirt bag. There's no sewing involved, and all you need is a pair of scissors and an old t-shirt. Now let's go. Whether you need a beach bag, grocery bag, or something to carry your lunch in, this reusable tote gets the job done and helps to eliminate plastic bag usage. Thank you all so much for watching today's Wellness Wednesday video. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also hit that like button on our Facebook page. We'll be back next week with another environmental wellness themed video, and I can't wait to see you all then. Bye everyone!